To begin Parsavottanasana swing, we'll first stand in Tadasana. So, from Tadasana, we'll open our legs about 3 feet apart. Now, join your hands on your back, interlace your fingers. From here, exhale, bend forward, try to touch your head to your right knee and your hands are stretched towards the ceiling. Now, from here, bring your head towards your left knee and then stand. We'll now go towards the left knee, come towards right knee, then stand straight. So let's do this together for 5 counts. Exhale down, inhale, come back, exhale down, inhale, come back, relax. Now release your arms and bring both your legs together. So this is how you practice Parsavottanasana swing.